And so gizi with 3 times.
3 times?
Yeah. So you don't kiss me here, babe.
Oh.
Get right there. Aim for here.
Rub on, throw them out, catch 'em. Carry the soup. It makes sense.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel.
Definitely.
Me and my brothers, a few years ago, I think we did this video called the ethnicity tag, and you guys seem to love it, so we'll be doing the ethnicity tag with you, babes.
Yeah. Now that our hubby is part of the channel.
Yeah. The questions may not be the same exactly, but I'll selectively ask some questions and then see how this goes. You ready?
I am born ready.
Okay. First question is, which ethnicity do you belong to?
I am Nigerian. Igbo. Igbo Kwenu. My brothers.
Is there like a saying or something?
I just said it.
Okay. Au. Black Panther. I don't know why I said au. Mostly it will be about you, but for those of you that haven't seen that video, you know, I'll answer a few questions here and there too. So I'm from Ethiopia.
What?
My parents were a mix of different tribes, so I'm just gonna say Ethiopian and then move on to the next question. Which food represents your ethnicity?
Well, my ethnicity specifically, we love to swallow.
Do you want to explain to some people?
Oh, that's where I'm to.
My bad. Okay, go ahead.
We love to swallow. We love the fufu, pounded yam, egusi soup, vegetable soup, ogbono soup.
A whole bunch of soup?
All the soups. Onubu, bitter leaf soup. Oh my god.
So which one? All of these described?
These are all part of it. My ethnicity, especially being Igbo, we did chop on. We did sweet together.
So it's a soup with...
Fufu is like the thing that you use to swallow it. It stinks a little bit, but it tastes good. You know, you swallow it, rub on, throw them out, catch 'em. Carry the soup. It makes sense.
Sweet too.
Very, very delicious.
For me, it's injera, and there's different kind of sauces when you're in an Ethiopian restaurant or some kind of gathering. We kind of like eat together, and there's different types of sauces with the injera, so we kind of go in with the hand, and it's beautiful and tasty. I recommend you guys try it if you haven't. Which ethnic language are you perfect in?
Igbo. I'm born Igbo, and that's what I grew up speaking. I speak Yoruba as well, just a little bit. Igbo Kwenu. Wandemo.
Oh, I've heard of that. I've heard of Wandemo. What does it mean?
It just means my brother.
Oh.
Or my sister. It's basically just saying either or.
Okay. Wandemo.
Use your tongue for the rest of the video so you don't bite it.
I did try. Do you have any ethnic name?
Ekene Delichukwu.
What?
One, Nigerian Limited.
I'm serious, babe.
Wham. Eh?
Is that?
My name is Ekene now.
Ekene, and I know now.
Yeah, now.
Who was the other one?
The full meaning of Ekene Delichukwu means praise be unto God. So that's the full. Ekene just means praise, greetings, stuff like that.
Yeah.
Sometimes my mom will go, Ekene Delichukwu Nwam.
Hey.
Right? She's like pumping me up. And she's like, Mwam. And then the next thing she'll be like, Najee Salome Fele, it means go wash some dishes for me. So she's hyping me up so that I can go wash dishes, you know what I mean? So, Ekene Delichukwu, Bam. One. Nigeria Limited.
Ha! Well, my name is just Saba. And that's really all I have. You know what? In uni, people that came from different parts of Africa, the international students, they used to ask me, what's your name? And then they're expecting to hear a different kind of response, like, Ekene Dunichiku Obom.
Baby, don't bite your tongue. Like I said, we need it for the rest of the video.
Mom, stuff like that. And I'm like, my name is Saba. And they really thought I was kidding.
You know, Alex is actually my name as well. It's just, it's easier for people to say Alex than Ikin, Ikini, Ikukun. I'm like, yeah, you know, think about Ekene Dilichukwu, it's like, oh my goodness.
Oh.
So I just go by Alex. Makes it easier for everybody's life.
Do you have like a favorite phrase in Igbo language?
My favorite phrase would be Nsowadiro.
What does that mean?
Which means no problem.
Oh.
All positive, baby.
That's good. I can't think of one.
Jara?
Inibla. Good Sharanka. Velanji. We like to feed people. Yeah, I think you experienced that a little bit. Well, they were asking about clothes, but we kind of came dressed in our attire.
Yeah, it came all busted up. This is the full gear. I'm actually missing the hat.
The chief one.
Yeah, the chief hat.
Don't you have to be chief to wear it?
Well, just for the purpose of showing.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, this is the gear. We have different kinds, and now they're trying to modernize the looks of like what they're sewing the clothes now. They're just evolving with the time.
Yeah.
This is Mua, Chief Ekene Dilichukwu. One of Nigerian Limited.
Well, yeah, I guess it's kind of similar story with yours. This is not the traditional attire when it comes to style, but the materials are, and it's nice. I like it.
I like it. It's really nice.
Thank you.
Chief Maduka.
Chief Maduka?
My boy. You're my guy.
What 3 things do you love about your country? Times
are hard in Nigeria, and it's a little bit different, but you know what? It's the motherland. I love the food. I think we have the best variety of foods and dishes in the whole world. Delicious, my goodness. Don't get me going. Fufu, pounded yam, egusi soup, vegetable soup, ogbono soup. I love that I grew up in Nigeria because I feel like it really contributed to who I am as a person, just because of the way that I've seen the world and having to grow early on.
Yeah, to adapt.
Adapt, right? Mm-hmm. My parents made me start working pretty early on. So I like that aspect of it. And then I think one more thing would be my family.
Like the way you guys are together?
Yes.
Type of thing?
Yes, togetherness and all that.
Well, one thing Ethiopians are known for is for being very inviting and taking care of guests. I like how they make everyone feel so welcome. And I love that. It's home. You know?
It is home.
And I find that people kind of grow up faster, mentally, I mean. Like you said, because of the way you grew up, you have a different perspective type of thing.
Yeah.
So I love that it gives you that opportunity to have wisdom, I would say, because of different situations that you face. I guess it could be the norm for the country, but when you're exposed to something else, you have a base. Which sport represents your ethnicity?
Football.
Football.
Everybody in Nigeria is a football fan. I don't know why. I know here it's soccer, right? Okay. Everybody in Nigeria is a soccer fan. Right? We're all crazy about it.
For us, I can't say soccer. We're runners.
That's true.
Yeah, long distance runners. We don't stop until we get to the destination. Do you have an item that kind of represents your country in our house?
The first one, which is very important, is called toningari. It's a very big, it's made out of wood, and it's designed and crafted to be able to stir the, you know, if you're trying to make the swallow, the gari or the fufu, or Yoruba would say eba. You know, you just put it in the pot and you go, just use your hands, you stir it, you turn it. Toningari is very important.
It's like similar to ganfo.
For you guys, yes.
Yeah, for us.
But it requires more muscle. You gotta.
Is that why you most of you are like this?
It's not necessarily the turning; it's the eating.
So how do you eat again?
You know, once it's done, you carry your hand, you put that inside, you come out, you put that on top of your pan, you roll on. You know, when you roll on, it's just a roll on. If you get the skill, you throw it up. If you throw it up, you catch on. You roll on, put that inside the soup.
Oh, you know, one of those viral videos where like they take this much I can't remember what, but like when
and they can swallow the whole.
They don't chew it.
You're not supposed to chew. It's called swallow for a reason. You're supposed to swallow.
I flatten it out like injera. I go flatten it. I go scoop on the soup, especially the greens. Yeah? And then I go chew up.
You go chew up. And then, you don't feel it. The next thing would be, I don't actually have jollof rice at home, but the next thing would be jollof rice.
Hey, came with all.
See, this is not a spice to use to do jollof. But it just says jollof rice on top. That tells you how important. Jollof rice is very important. Everybody eats jollof rice. It's so delicious with plantain. So yes, food, life. We Nigerians, we love our food. Ghana jollof doesn't stand a chance. Nigerian jollof, na be the boy. If you chop and you could get yourself.
Hey, for me, because food is a big part of, our culture and stuff. One thing that I picked out is, you want to pass me that, babe?
Sure. There you go.
Ah.
Everything's gotta be flat.
It's not flat. Do you see a little bit of carving? So we call this sefade. You use it to take out injera from the midad. That's where you basically make the injera. Tell the traditional culture of your country to greet someone.
It's almost like you gotta take a bow. When you're greeting, it depends on how old. Right? So it's all about respect. Respect is huge. The way you would greet someone who's like a peer is just saying stuff like Guy Alpha. Right? Or saying one name kenkenem in Igbo. Walk up to an older person and you have to be more respectful. And that would look something like, it's almost like you're taking a bow in a way and you're like leaning and putting your hands out and you're showing respect by taking a bow and greeting the person and say, Kiriki Milsa, right? How are you doing, sir? Or ma. Or whatever. So like for grandparents or for parents or whoever is older, right? Obviously my family is a little bit different. Like my mom, she's very chill. So, like I just run to her and pick her up and be like, Mimo.
Mimo.
And Mimo, it's different for everyone. And in most cases, that's how you do show respect. You kind of take a bow, you reach out. And sometimes you don't even reach out. You just put your hand back and they kind of pat you on the back. And then they say, okay, you can get up.
Oh wow. The one that's most popular one is you look at them and then you say, Salamish, and if he's a guy, obviously you're the guy. So I'll say, Alex, and then you shake hands. You bring them close and then and so squeeze with 3 times.
3 times?
Yeah. You don't kiss me here, babe.
Oh.
Get right there. Aim for here. Cheeks.
Cheeks?
I know. Okay. So,
Mwah.
Some people would actually kiss
I like it.
You like it? And then they ask you, how are you? Like a lot of times.
I'm going to be policing any kissing going on.
No.
It's like, dude. Stick to the left. Alright?
Stick to the cheek.
This area? No. You need to go wide. Go wide.
I wonder how they're doing during Corona time.
Definitely no kissing.
Yeah, but because
from
it's
a distance.
Such a habit, I wonder how people are.
You know what? I have a feeling that people are still doing it.
When was the last time you visited your country?
In 2019.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ethiopia has power. Nigeria doesn't.
He means electricity.
Electricity. Their airport is
legit.
Insane. That's a good place to stop. I think it was really nice doing this tag. If you guys have any questions or any ideas, any suggestions, any things you want to share, hit us up and like, subscribe. We love you guys. And that's it?
Okay, I thought you were finishing.
Cut.
Yes.
My boy. You're my guy. Where's my container?
Huh?
Don't play with my money. I'm an Igbo man. Don't play with my container and my money. My dollars.
Wow.
Ego. Give me ego. Give me the money.